Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2015 Chevy Cruze LT. Stock number Z7616X. 33,000 miles and there's one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Cruze brand new, autumn bronze metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, as well as 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Cruze is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This LT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices, and a spacious glove box. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.